So guys, right now I'm in school. I thought I'd be able to do a photo shoot slash vlog slash my first day out in the Rona, but I was told to stop filming because of reasons unknown to me. But yeah, I won't be able to do that anymore, and this park is really loud. I'm really pained, so I'm just going to have to give you guys something else. Yeah, peace. La, 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 la. Oh. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay. Money battery pack. On you it's the battery pack.
Open the battery pack.
It smells of battery. So yeah, it's not the same lens as other Canon cameras. So I have to get a
That's
what's the word?
intelligent.
Transformer. No.
How much you try? Just screwing something in. I'm pretty sure that's not new to you. I mean, typically, you know, I don't know these things. So. So early into the unboxing, you're already deceiving us. Can you quit it, please? I can't even hear you. Like,
What's this?
okay, well, that is not the best show of your prowess.
I know what this is.
Photography.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Pata. What? You like fish? Fat. No. Are you fat?
You don't know animal breeding. Don't know animal breeding.
I look sweet, don't I? It's a Nigerian steamed pudding, bean pudding. Yeah. I know I look like I'm probably you follow. It's such a step.